say the exact same thing at the beginning of my videos, but welcome back to the channel. Hey girl, what's up? This is MaShelle back in the building with another crochet slay. Today we are going to slay the Femi Collection 2-time Mali Curl Braid. I use the color 1B and also 1B purple. That is that gorgeous pop of color that you see on the sides of my tresses right there. Now, you guys, this is the second crochet installation I've done on my hair this weekend. I know you guys have experienced that too. I can't be the only one that has installed a crochet style, cut it or altered it, or just the end result was not what you thought it was going to be. That is exactly what happened to me this weekend. So basically, you guys know I have been loving my sensational Caracas wig. So I did a video on the black one with the pop of red color in the back. But what I wanted to do is I wanted to imitate that same style with crochet hair. And so I decided to try the Bohemian Curl by Free Tress. I already had that in my inventory and I installed it, and I love that hair, but I wasn't able to achieve this look. And so I have this Femi Collection hair in my collection. I've had this for months. So this is the Femi Collection 2x Caribbean Mali Curl Braid, and the hair is Kanekalon fiber, and it says it has a Remy feeling. And y'all, this hair was originally $8.99, but I found it in my beauty supply store on sale for $2.99 a pack. So I pretty much just stocked up on it. So I got like 3 packs of the 1B, I got 1 pack of the purple, and 1 pack of the burgundy. I used less than 3 packs of hair, so I used 2 packs of the 1B and maybe a strand or 2 from the 3rd pack, and then of course I only used a couple strands of the purple. So that's the color that you see here. So I used less than 3 packs of hair for this entire style, and that's because I separated the strands 2 to 4 times. So the strands are pretty thick. This is one of the strands here, and I will basically separate this one strand 2 to 4 times depending on the strand of hair and also where I was installing it on my head. Now I installed thicker strands in the back and of course thinner strands as I got to the front of my hair, just for a more natural looking hairline. It only took me about an hour, maybe an hour and a half to install this look. And of course I have the shaved sides and I have an undercut in the back. And so that's why I was able to pull this off using less than 3 packs of hair. It's a bug in here. Ugh. And I really love the way it turned out. I love that I didn't have to cut the hair. So other than just kind of framing my face and cutting a few layers in the front here, I did not have to cut this hair at all. So right down here, the hair pretty much just fell this way out of the pack. I just snipped some extra strands that were hanging down just to make it flow a little bit better. But I didn't cut anything in the back. And just look how just pretty the back, it just falls like this on its own. So this hair is really, really easy if you're looking for a quick style that you don't have to do a lot of cutting and manipulation to, and you can just pretty much install it straight out of the pack. Then this hair would be a good choice for you. I think you would really, really like this hair if that is the style that you're going for. And you guys know I love color. I love playing with color. I'm always afraid to go there because I work in corporate America. But since I have been rocking burgundy for the last couple months, I decided to go ahead and go with the purple. This is my first time ever doing purple. I'm always a little hesitant to get too crazy with the colors because I work in corporate America, but I've been wanting to try the purple and I just said, what the heck, I'm going for it. And I'm so glad I did because I really like the way it turned out. I actually think this is okay to wear in corporate America. I think this is appropriate. I work for a real estate development and an architectural firm. So we have a kind of a creative environment anyway. And so I think this fits right into our environment. So I think it's the perfect balance between being professional and living the life on the edge, kind of pushing the envelope a little bit. And you know, like I always say, it really depends on you, your personality, and how you can pull it off. And I can rock this, y'all. Me and Barney, we cool. I didn't think we were cool. Me and Barney, we're here. We cool. fit. So yeah, I think this is gonna be good. So you guys, that's all I have on this hair. If you would like me to come back in a few weeks and let you know how the hair wears over time, leave me some comments below and let me know. Otherwise, I won't come back and do a review on it because I've already reviewed the hair. But if you want to know how the hair wore and how I ultimately maintained it, leave me some comments below and I will definitely come back with a follow-up video. If you made it here to the end of this video, you obviously like something about me and what I'm saying or about this hair, so definitely make sure you hit that subscribe button and also the bell notification so you are notified anytime I am in the building. And you guys know I am the Get Fit, Get Fab queen, right? So head on over to my playlist, check out one of my fitness videos so you can get fit and fabulous all at the same time. That's what my channel is all about. But anyway, I am done rambling, I am done talking. I have a glass of wine. The All-Star game is getting ready to come on. I'm gonna go downstairs, relax, enjoy my fabulousness. Yes, with my wine, with my husband. So until the next time, beauties, stay beautiful, stay blessed, and make sure you live life jiggle free. All right, beauties, I am out of here. Get fit, get fab.